Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm actually having some banana porridge. Banana porridge with coconut milk family, the Jamaican style. Miss Jam Tours says she actually feel for Kenyan egg. In Jamaica we'll say common fowl egg. I remember growing up in Jamaica family, we used to eat the common fowl, like we used to, the fowl that was actually in the yard running up and down. We used to go and catch those common fowl. This just put a string and put corn in the middle, and when they come in at the middle, we just actually just pull the string and hold them by them foot. And then we used to cook them family. That's how we used to do common fowl. You know what I mean, when we used to grow up in Jamaica family, so, and in the countryside of Jamaica. But when I came to Kenya family, I find that you can still get, in Jamaica you cannot get that type of fowl to buy anymore. But in Kenya family, you can get that type of fowl to purchase, buy and eat. You can actually get it in restaurant family, Kenyan. So Kenyan is what? It's Kiswahili? Local. So local Kenyan chicken.
Yeah. Kenyan can either be English.
Yeah.
Alright, go on. Kenyan can be English or Kiswahili. Because even, let's say I'm speaking in Kikuyu, I'll just say matubeki yenyeji.
Oh, matubeki kenyeji.
Matubeki yenyeji. Kiswahili is mayai kienyeji. So means local.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, family. So nowhere in the West now you can actually get local chicken to eat.
Okay.
And that's the reason why I like Kenya so much, because all of these local stuff, you still can get it if you know about it and you want to eat it, family. And as you know, guys, everything now, this broiler chicken is causing a lot of people to have growth hormone. And these foods, I think, is the causes of all of these. You know, I mean, people having so much hormones, so these hormones are they put in these chicken and stuff, allowing people to actually feel like a man feel like woman and a woman feel like man, because there's too much hormone in these things, family. So Miss Jam Tours she feel for Kenyan, and Miss Jam Tours know that she cannot cook no other egg in the house, because when she buy these broiler eggs, it stink up the place and I have to get out of the house. I don't know, guys, I don't really into these things.
I don't like
But what I noticed when she cooked the Kenyan egg, I don't smell anything.
Don't smell nothing.
That rawness, I don't smell it, family. So she feel for that today.
Let me tell you.
She gonna make it so she gonna tie the strap.
Yeah.
So we don't get that nice, family. So yes, family, so as I was saying to you, that I noticed when she cook that Kenyan egg, I don't smell nothing in the house. But when she cook those egg that you buy in the supermarket, it's very stink. And it let me want to vomit. You know what I mean?
It smells so bad. And also the yolk looks so ugly.
Yeah, so they normally eat it here with ugali. But I normally eat ugali with greens. So she will eat the egg with ugali, and I'll eat the greens with ugali, family. As you know, I'm not really into the meat thing and these things. But if you're into meat, if you're into meat and you want to eat meat, I think like Kenya is the best place to come and eat it, family, because it's organic, it's real, it's not processed, it's not injected with no harmful chemical and growth hormones. So this is just for people. You know, I mean, what I noticed in Kenya, people don't get sick. When I'm in the West, every minute somebody's sick at the hospital, in your surrounding, like it's just in the atmosphere, just in the air. Sickness is in the air. Like somebody close to you sick, somebody your neighbor sick, you know somebody who's sick. But when you're in Kenya, you don't see that, family. You don't hear that nobody's sick. You know what I mean? So it's just a feeling that the food that people eat here in Kenya is very healthy, it's very organic, and that's what I appreciate the most, family. So Miss Jam Tours is gonna go to get those Kenyan egg. You know, and one thing with Kenya, everything is so accessible. Anything you want is just on the street side and the corner shop. Anywhere you want to go, you can actually get it to buy, family.
But I'm not bad mouth in any country. I noticed even when you were in Ghana, I really wanted to. I thought every African country is like that. Like local and stuff. Now I remember, you remember the shops at the corner there where we used to live?
Yeah.
And I remember asking the lady if she has kienyeji, like local. Of course, they don't know what's kienyeji.
Yeah.
I asked her if they have local egg, and she was like, "What's that?" I don't. Now imagine how hard it was to explain, and still she told me we don't have. Everything is nanio. By then, and I noticed in the supermarket, even most of the eggs are from UAE.
Eggs? Can you get eggs from UAE?
Not egg, chicken. The chicken was from UAE. Even the chicken, you remember we were asking for local chicken? And when you go to buy, I remember there's a certain chicken we bought and we didn't even eat it. It was oozing some
white things.
Looks so ugly and smelling so bad.
Yeah, family. So as you guys know, all of you guys who love chicken, trust me. Chicken is like the worst thing, and the worst if you give your kids a lot of chicken, trust me. You'll find out that them hormone even want to change. Because there are a lot of hormone them inject those chicken. Imagine chicken ready within 3 to 4 weeks. What kind of madness is that? At least the common fowl is there for a while, 6 months, a year. You know what I mean?
Like the ones mom has at home, the ones you have to boil like almost the whole day. For it to soften.
And those chicken is like taste like birds because they eat like what birds eat, like grains and all of these things and stuff. So you know what I mean.
And then I also noticed. What do we call this? For my mom, when she's feeding the chicken, she doesn't feed the whatever. This powder, how will I call it? Grinded, whatever.
She don't feel it. Just processed grains.
The leftovers.
This processed what they call it, chicken feed.
So what she does, the leftovers in the kitchen is what she gives the chicken.
And corn and these things.
Corn. Now maize. Corn is what she can take to the posho mill. Yeah, we have a posho mill. Do you have a posho mill in Jamaica?
No, we don't have those things. Everything just come packaged from the US and from other countries. Everything, nothing is organic.
The corn in the posho. You see, it's written Kenyan chicken.
Yeah, so actually at the front family, at the front, and this jam tours now we get our Kenyan chicken from Kenyan Chicken daily delivery family basket. You can just go around him and just park. You can, I guess. It's not the same lady here today. I guess you can just.
I got there.
Yeah, you can just go straight. You can just turn your back around like this and then just reverse when you're coming out. Yeah. Just turn around like that. Yeah, family, so we're here to get the Kenyan eggs. You can ask her no, sweetie, stop.
Sasa? Maybe you can learn. Sawa, uko na mayai?
She have?
Yeah, let's see. Hakuna mayai? Oh.
She don't have.
She doesn't have.
Yeah.
Sawa. Kuku inakuja lini? Oh, inakuja leo? Okay. Okay. Sawa. Aye. We'll go to Vincent's.
Vincent, them have?
Yeah, at the shop there. You go check. There's a
Well,
thing there.
I just go back and then.
Until I felt bad. Imagine I'm not even checking the camera. I'm assuming whoever is behind me will see me. Yeah, I'm weak.
Them lady don't have, she don't have.
What?
Kenyan.
What am I Kenyan? Okay.
They not
Those
have.
exhibits, they don't look Kenyan. Or I go at Steven's place.
Okay. You could drive over there, sweetie.
We drive. Looking like
It's far. See, Mary there, sweetie.
Eh?
See her.
Ah.
You should call her. We don't eat this chicken anymore.
Reasons?
Well, I feel like people feel like say because the other one is bigger and better and fatter and more meat and stuff. They don't eat it, but it's not good for them. This is the best chicken. Yeah, family, so we actually find a place that sell the Kenyan egg. And they also sell the chicken to family. So this is the real local chicken. This is the best chicken. So what you guys feed this chicken on?
Sorry?
What you feed them with?
They feed on themselves.
So you guys have them in a cold bars or where?
The sauce, the chicken.
In a big yard like? Where?
Farmers.
Ah, so you have farmers who actually grow this type of chicken? Ah. Yeah, family. So in Kenya, so that, as you can see, guys, these are the chicken. The eggs from the Kenyan is actually white. It's not, the broiler one is very brown, and this one is very white, family. So, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna buy 6 from Miss Jam Tours. So she wanna cook it with ugali and egg. So I'll show you how she do it with the ugali and egg. But the Kenyan egg is the best egg. It has no smell. When the other egg cook in my house, I have to come out because I don't like the smell. But this one is very, you don't smell anything with this one. That's why I like it. I don't eat it, but it can cook in my house. Yeah, family. So, Kenyan egg. Yeah, family. So this is actually the shop for the Kenyan. Shop for the Kenyan. See, I get like 6.
Oh, they didn't have more?
6. Eh?
They didn't have more?
You want more?
I wanted 10.
Guy, you never tell me.
I told you 10.
You have an entire tray.
Guy, I want 10.
Let me go back and get.
Okay, sorry.
Let me go back and get.
She wants to come out.
Oh yeah. Let me go back and get. Yeah, family, so I have to go and get another 6. That's 12. So, you're welcome. I paid. So, she can actually use this for her. So she gonna use it for ugali. Yeah, family, so we're back home and Miss Jam Tours is actually preparing to cook the egg. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, family, but this is what you guys eat here in Kenya, right?
Yes, with ugali.
With ugali. So guys, this is the ugali that I like to eat when I'm here. It has maize flour, amaranth grain, and turmeric powder in it. So I like this. It's like it's not like the white ugali. It's yellow. And we have the sea moss right here, family. Miss Jamto is drinking up her sea moss. As you know, she's pregnant and she needs the minerals. The other day she's want to eat dirt. You want to eat dirt the other day?
Okay, I was craving for that sand.
And when I give her the sea moss, she said it feel like she's eating
I felt like
dirt.
I'm eating the dirt now.
But as you know, guys, you cannot eat dirt because the body cannot assimilate or process dirt. And that shows that your body is lacking of some sort of important minerals like magnesium and all of these, calcium and all of these things. Most of these things come from the sea and from the earth. So when you get a man-made pill, it doesn't assimilate, you just piss it out. Because your body cannot go in your bloodstream. Because the body only can process things that comes from the earth. Like the earth process it and bring it to you in fruits. The sea process this mineral and give it to you in the moss, the vegetable of the sea. You know, so it's just nature, family. So if you understand nature, you cannot go wrong. We have the baobab seed right there. Pull out, let me see how these eggs look, sweetie.
Can I tell you a secret? Not a secret. I want to, what do you say? Like when you went to tell somebody, you wanted to do something bad.
Yeah.
You see, the other day when I told you I want to go up top.
Yeah.
When the car didn't have enough fuel, we had not fuel.
That's why you want to go and eat this blood.
You know why I was pressuring you? Because I knew you want to go up top. So I wanted to go alone so that I can go and eat the soil.
So make sure so every morning you drink this with the baobab fruit powder, family. You mix the sea moss with the baobab fruit powder, rich in so much minerals.
Apparently today,
yeah, family, this is what the eggs look like. It's white
small.
And it's small.
Like a bird.
Yes, family, this is the real egg. And these eggs don't smell up the place and let more on the back.
And one is how much? 30 shillings.
One is for like 30 shillings. Okay, that's like cents.
Okay, in short, all the eggs were like? 300 shillings.
360, 12, 180 for 6.
Oh, they're 12.
180 shillings for 6. That's like $2 for 12 eggs.
Yeah. Is it cheap? How much do you people buy eggs in Jamaica?
Well, you cannot get this egg in Jamaica anymore.
Oh, they're
like you get it here, just walk on the
Just
street
like
and buy it, family. Yeah, family. So we're gonna wait and see how Miss Jamto is gonna prepare this, and you're gonna comment down below and let me know if you'll eat this. If you'll eat this recipe that Miss Jamto is preparing, let me know. Let me know, guys. Continue watching the vlog and comment your thoughts below.
So
let me know.
You must dice this thing so fine.
Yeah.
I don't like how some people prepare egg. I'm not saying I'm the perfect cook, but you must dice them so good so that everything blends in well.
Alright, family. So we're gonna wait and watch and let us know. Comment. Let us know if you eat this.
But my knife is misbehaving.
I'll sharpen it. Family, so Miss Jamto has changed her knife with a sharpener knife. I think I sharpened this knife yesterday.
It's so sharp.
Sharp now.
It might take off my fingers.
Sharp.
Wow, I wish I got it when I was doing the onions. I've really struggled.
You really struggle?
Yeah, but finally.
Finally. Yeah, family. So everything is done. The egg is done. It's like an omelette style, and this is my greens right there. I'm gonna eat this with ugali. But this is how the ugali look, family. This is how it look. Crispy and nice. I like this crispy part. Crunchy. Yeah. So now we cut it like a cake. Now we just cut it like a cake. This is my greens warm in there. Yeah, family, so like, share and comment on the video.